friends, welcome back to my channel. My name's Terry, also known as the Inspire Planner, and today is Friendship Friday, which means we are going to make 2 cards and we are going to use the Tula XII Sunflower Card Kit. Stay tuned. If this is your first Friendship Friday with me, it is super simple. All you want to do is comment #Friendship Friday and you'll be eligible to win one of the cards that I'm making today. So that's super fun. This card kit comes with 9 envelopes, 9 pre-made cardstock bases, comes with sticker sheets and sentiments. These are so cute. Comes with double-sided paper, which I am gonna lay out because they're always so pretty. So here are our first sides. Oh, look at that giant sunflower. That's really pretty. And then on the opposite side, we have blue stripes, black and white stripes, and yellow or goldenrod stripes. So you get 9 pieces of paper also. And we also get an embellishment bag of goodies with all of our card kits that usually have what I call, all right, so bows, buttons, and blings. So here are our buttons. We have brown buttons, yellow bows, bling, and then we have an assortment of die cuts. So on this one we have our little chipmunk, we have a giant sunflower, and then we also have sunflowers like with the stalk and everything. So let's get busy. We're gonna make 2 cards out of this today, just 2 today, and the rest of them I will be making over in my VIP group, which is also in the description below if you would like to join me there. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm just gonna make some room. I'm gonna grab 2 cards, and I think I want to make one of them out of that one and one of them out of this one. So I'm just going to push the rest of these aside. And then we'll figure out what die cuts and things that we want to use. Now, if you've watched me before, you know I'm really big into like ripping the papers because I just think that it looks really cool. I think this one is going to be a kind of a different rip because I don't want to mess up too much of those sunflowers. So we're going to do this one. Can I do this one a little different? Now I'm thinking through, I'm like, oh yeah, I'm just gonna rip it, but it would be like, it would be awkward if I did it and then it didn't work. So we're gonna just do it this way. We're gonna do it horizontal. And I'm just gonna do it a little bit creatively so that we have what I like to call a little bit of a default or a fault line in here, which means it's showing a little bit of the card. That is really, really pretty. So let's go ahead and use some adhesive and put this down. Now you could do it either way. You could put the stripes up top or you could put the flowers at the bottom. I kind of liked the stripes at the bottom, so that's what I'm gonna go with. I'm just gonna eyeball this up and press that down. And if you have any miscellaneous like glue that comes off, just give it a little rub and it'll come off just in a little ball. If you're using like tape runner adhesive, if you're using something else, it might work differently. All right, so this one I am going to line up right with the edge of that. This side doesn't matter a whole lot because it's not gonna touch. Look how pretty that is. That's really pretty. And I think because the sunflower is so big that this one definitely needs the little chipmunk. And we're gonna put a little sentiment on this one that way. I think we're also gonna do a hello friend on this one. Now these are a little bit different. These are on white paper instead of clear paper. So you don't need those little white pieces of cardstock when we do this now, which is kind of cool. I like having it just the sticker because it's just easy and it's clean and it's neat and it looks really cute. And that is adorable. I love how that looks. That's so cute. So let's go ahead and put this on here. Now you can fancy it up if you want. There's a lot of times I will use dots or like the, well, I just call them puffy dots that kind of make it stand out a little bit. So you can dress it up if you want to. This is so cute. Look how cute this turned out. Oh, I like this one. And they're so easy to do. Our card kits come with everything you need unless you really want to dress it up a little bit. All right, so we're gonna move on to card number 2. I've got the black and white stripe with the sunflowers here. This one I am going to just kind of do a rip like that. And we've got a little bit of the card showing through, which makes it perfect, except that I'm gonna turn these around so that the card is kind of showing through at the top instead of the bottom. So we're gonna put some adhesive on here and go ahead and just place this in here. Now, you'll notice that our papers are meant to leave a white border also. That for me is perfect because I hate measuring things sometimes. So that way you don't have to worry about everything being perfect. Gives some wiggle room for not being perfect, which is nice. Because some days you just need that. Some days you need that wiggle room. Okay, on this one, I am going to use some bling. So I'm going to go ahead and peel these off. These come with self-adhesive backs. If you want to make them a little bit more secure, you can use a little bit of like a dab of glue on there, and they'll be a little more secure for you. And this one, I am going to use the bright sunflower because I just think that that is a really nice contrast. I think that'll look pretty. And then on this one, we're going to put Keep Blooming. And I am going to put that just kind of like right over here. And then we'll put some adhesive on our sunflower. And we will put that right there. And I do think I want to put a little bit of stickles, not on this one because of the bling, but I do want to put a little bit here. And I think I'm going to do the little sunflower in the chipmunk's hair. She has like this little sunflower that's just super cute. So I'm just going to very gently put some stickles in here just to give it a little something extra. There we go. Super cute. These are our 2 cards today for Friendship Friday. Don't forget, if you would like to be eligible to win one of these, comment hashtag Friendship Friday below, and I will do a drawing on Monday for one of these 2 cards. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that inspires you to make a card and send one out to a friend this weekend. And if you know somebody